good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sausage potato stew, okay? So we need sausages, potatoes, tomato sauce, garlic, onions, spring onions, and then bell peppers. Gonna saute the garlic. And then we're gonna add the potatoes, guys. Ato ni gihumulan ng potatoes kay mulago man ni siya kung dili humulan og tubig. Okay, and then oil sauce a little bit. A pinch of salt. First, before we add the rest of the ingredients, before we add the rest of the ingredients, we're gonna simmer these potatoes first and we'll let it cook first, okay? So the potatoes are cooked. Add this bell pepper, guys. Sausages. The tomato sauce. Okay, we just sauce only. And add water. Guys, for a few minutes. Okay, guys. Okay, so our sausage potato stew is done. Look at that one. And now, I'm going to garnish with green onions and let's have a taste. And then I'm gonna taste it, okay? Sausage potato stew, okay? So, I'm going to taste it if it is salty enough. It's okay. It's already salty. We don't need to put salt anymore, okay? So, we're gonna taste this one. And I'm gonna off the heat now, okay? Oh, it's yummy. It's yummy, guys. Okay. So that's our sausage potato stew is done, okay? So thank you for watching. And please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at dcookingshow, and to my Facebook page, dcookingshow, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.